Have you ever wished for something so deeply that you could feel it in your bones? Have you ever wondered if there is a way to turn your desires into reality, to manifest your dreams effortlessly? Well, today we bring you the answer that you've been searching for. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of manifestation. In today's video, we will reveal a secret technique that has helped countless individuals transform their lives. This technique has been passed down through generations, and today we will learn from one of the foremost experts in the field, Neville Goddard. But before we dive into the depths of this life-changing wisdom, we invite you to join our community by hitting that subscribe button and smashing the like button below. Don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos that will uncover more secrets of manifestation. The art of manifestation has been celebrated and debated for centuries. People have sought different methods and practices to bring their desires to life. But what if I told you that the power to manifest is already within you? What if you could tap into this power and manifest anything you desire? Neville Goddard, a prominent figure in the field of manifestation, believed that our thoughts create our reality. He taught that by immersing ourselves in the feeling of the wish fulfilled, we can attract our desires effortlessly. Goddard emphasized the importance of imagination, stating that it is the pathway to transforming our lives. Our thoughts have an incredible power to shape and influence our reality. The way we perceive the world around us is largely determined by our thoughts and beliefs, which in turn impacts our actions and outcomes. Our thoughts are not just fleeting fragments of our mind. They have the potential to manifest into tangible experiences. When we harbor negative or limiting thoughts, we tend to attract situations and circumstances that align with those thoughts. For example, if we constantly dwell on thoughts of failure and doubt our abilities, we inadvertently create an environment where failure becomes more likely. On the other hand, when we focus on positive and empowering thoughts, we open ourselves up to opportunities and create a vibrant and successful reality. The power of thoughts extends beyond our personal lives and can influence the world around us. Collective thoughts and beliefs can shape societies and cultures. History is filled with examples of how collective thoughts have led to significant changes and achievements. From Martin Luther King Jr.'s famous "I Have a Dream" speech to Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of nonviolence, powerful thoughts have sparked revolutions and movements that have transformed societies. To manifest your desires effectively, Goddard recommended a simple yet powerful technique known as the I am affirmation. By repeating the phrase, "I am followed by the desired outcome," we create a bridge between our present reality and the manifestation of our desires. Let's say you desire financial abundance. Instead of dwelling on lack, you can affirm "I am wealthy" repeatedly, truly feeling the emotions of wealth and abundance. As you immerse yourself in this state of being, the universe aligns with your intention, bringing forth opportunities and experiences that match your desired reality. Another vital aspect of manifestation highlighted by Goddard is the power of assumption. He explained that assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled is crucial in the manifestation process. When you truly believe that your desire has already been realized, your subconscious mind aligns with this belief, attracting experiences and circumstances that confirm your assumption. Our beliefs, whether they are positive or negative, impact our thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and actions. They act as filters through which we interpret and navigate the world. When our subconscious beliefs are aligned with what we desire or the reality we want to create, they work in our favor, increasing the likelihood of achieving our goals. However, if our subconscious beliefs are contradictory or limiting, they can sabotage our efforts and create barriers to success. For example, if someone harbors deep-seated beliefs that they are unworthy of love or incapable of success, their subconscious mind will generate thoughts, emotions, and behaviors that reflect and reinforce these negative beliefs, therefore affecting their reality. By becoming aware of our beliefs and actively working to align them with our desires, we can reshape our reality. This involves identifying and replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones, practicing positive affirmations, visualization, and taking actions that support our desired outcomes. Through this process of subconscious alignment, we can manifest the reality we truly desire. It is important to note that manifestation is not about materialistic gains alone. It encompasses all aspects of our lives, including health, relationships, and personal growth. By harnessing the power of our thoughts and emotions, we have the ability to shape our reality and create a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Let's delve deeper into the manifestation process and explore practical ways to apply these teachings in your everyday life. Once you understand the key principles, you can begin to manifest your desires intentionally and deliberately. Number 1. Set clear intentions. Define what you truly desire. Number 2. Align your thoughts and emotions. Focus on positive thoughts and emotions. Number 3. Practice visualization. Create vivid mental images of your desired reality. Number 4. Repeated affirmations. Use affirmations such as I am statements. Number 5. Surrender and let go. Trust the process and release attachment to the outcome. Number 6. Take inspired action. Follow your intuition and seize opportunities that come your way. Number 7. Gratitude and appreciation. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for what you have and what is manifesting. As you embark on your manifestation journey, it is essential to cultivate a mindset of gratitude, patience, and trust. The universe has its own timing, and your desires will manifest when the time is right. As we come to the end of this enlightening journey, we invite you to share your thoughts in the comment section below. What dreams would you like to manifest in your life? We would love to hear from you. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Join our community, where we explore the depths of manifestation and guide you towards unlocking the abundant possibilities that await you. May your manifestation journey be blessed with divine guidance and unwavering faith. Remember, you have the power to create the life of your dreams. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and embracing the miracles that unfold along the way.